To find AirPods by using your iPhone 16, first of all, you will have to open Find My application. You will have to be connected into the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and also you have to enable location. So on the left upper corner, you can find this information that location is actually turned on. Then you will have to simply go into the devices and from the list, select your AirPods. And now as you can see, you've got two options. You can actually get the exact location. Right here, we can tap on the directions, so you'll be redirected into the Apple Maps, and now you can simply find the location of your device. So you can now navigate, but also you can use the sound signaling, and you can just click right here. But what I find out that currently it's not working properly, at least in my version. This is like AirPods 4, so they are like connected with my phone, everything is fine, but the sound doesn't actually comes from my AirPods, and I'm not sure what is the reason. I was trying to unpair them, reconnect them, and nothing is working currently. I was actually removing them and adding them back into the Find My. So maybe you have some kind of the idea how we can fix this. If you have the same issue, you can tell me in the comments, and maybe someone actually will find solution. But honestly, I'm using this Find My for a couple of the days and it's not working properly. And I was also reading a lot of articles and some questions on the Reddit especially, that there's like a lot of issue with the Find My, so not sure why Apple is not gonna fix this, but maybe in the future they are gonna actually release some updates to actually get rid of most of these strange issues. But yeah, that will be all. Tell me if it was helpful for you, and maybe see you in the next one.